राज्यात फाटल्या दिसांनी धार्मिक तोडफोड चालिल्ली तेन्ना पुलिशेच्या हाताक फ्रांसीस परेना लागिल्लो. आता तरी हे प्रकरण थांबतले म्हण दिसपाक लागिल्ले. मात इतले मजगती मंगळारा कर्नाळे एका मसंडेत तोडफोड जाली. जाल्यार बिरेस्तारा चिंबेल वाठारात कांय धार्मिक चिन्हाची अज्ञातांनी नासधूस केली. IDX गोवा खातीर चिंबलाच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
There's another desecration here in Chimbel that has taken place now, and we came at the site. At the site, we were surprised to see that the police have put the evidence together by interfering with the evidence, because they दाखवता ते प्रमाणे फोटो काढलेले आहा पळय ते फुरीस इतले पयस पासून पावला. ताचे दुसरे कुडकी हांगासर पडलेले आहा, थंयसर आनीक पडलेलो आहा आनी गोरवांनी ताचेर हे मारून पडला अशें म्हूण समजता तेका. But they interfered with the existing crime site without waiting for the forensic to come and pick up the evidence that exists at the site. This is totally unthought and uncalled for. This is not an irresponsible way that the police should be conducting themselves. They had to leave the crime site as it is, call the forensic department, take the evidence existing at the site, and then think about what would be the possible impacts of this. I discussed this with the PI of Old Goa, and he's saying that we put it together just to understand the impact. But that has to be as a process done later on, not before the forensic picks up the evidence existing at the crime site. So this is something which is uncalled for and not the way that police should behave. Secondly, this is one more of the many desecrations that are taking place across the state now. And we have been constantly asking the police department to please investigate thoroughly. Don't just stop by saying that one person has been arrested and that's the end of the story. When the person is in custody, this is the second one now. And still they're trying to just project this thing as one of its kind. Unrelated, disconnected incidences. I don't know why they are doing this. Only the police can answer this and make the public aware of why this interference first and foremost at the crime site has been by the police department.
So we are investigating whether it is actually a desecration or whether it has been done by an animal, because this pathway is frequented by buffaloes and cows also, and at a go it has been informed around 20 to 25 buffaloes and cows. They move from this pathway and go into the paddy field. So we have asked the scientific experts to come, and only after an examination by them that we can take a final call and ascertain as to what was the reason when they followed this.